Okay, so Robyn. Sorry, I'll cut that out. So I was supposed to say I'm gathered here today with Anna. Oh my gosh.
You've gathered here today.
Okay. For today's video, we are going to be baking a cake. Jacqueline's not here just because she's at school, but she will be the final taste tester later this evening. But I'm here with Hannah from L&H Vlogs.
Right, plug that.
Hell yeah.
Right here. Link will be in the description.
Yeah, link will be in the description below. So Hannah, why are we baking a cake today?
Well, last night Robyn came over to my place and we watched Nailed It on Netflix. It's a cake show. And I said, Robyn, I'm gonna come over, we're gonna bake a cake tomorrow.
And we're gonna do better than the people on the show.
Yes.
If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Like, the secondhand embarrassment is real, but I mean, like, effort is key, so
Yep.
yeah. But we're kind of unprepared, so we have to go to Dollarama and pick up some ingredients. So let's go.
Yep.
Let's go. Oh frick, I tried to spin it. Ah! I zoomed in. Oh my god! Come here. So we just got back from Dollarama. You saw we got some goods. But Dollarama doesn't have food coloring.
No.
So how dedicated are we?
Yeah, we're at Safeway right now.
We're at Safeway. We're gonna go pick some up because this cake's gotta be good. So let's go get some food coloring. Should I do the hand thing?
Yeah.
Service desk 2.
Or should we get neon? Because it's...
Yeah. 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 Like, you show the camera. Yeah.
I gotta like bend down.
Tall people problems. Literally, baking a cake is way more
Difficult?
difficult than I thought.
Yeah.
Picking out the like icing and like all the ingredients and like look at
piping-
all these options you
Piping
have.
tips.
Like, I just want to put some icing on. Now I feel like obligated to do some cool designs.
I wanna get this.
Let's just buy one of everything. Okay, so we're gonna struggle some more, and I guess I'll see you when we get back home. So bye. Okay, we're back home and we got all the ingredients. We got cake mix. We got gummies. We got icing.
Oops.
We got
Food coloring.
Food coloring. Duckies and bunnies. Got some sprinkles.
Vanilla icing. Chocolate. Decorators.
Whatever the hell that is. It's go time. We have the ingredients, we have the setup, we have the time. Let's get it.
Cake.
Cake. Let's get it. What the is that? It looks like concrete. You're doing great, sweetie. Yeah. I mean, this is literally the reason why you make cake in the first place. I just sprayed the pan and I put like half the can of spray in there. Hey, the people on Nailed It, Hannah, they did not spray the pan, and what did we witness?
The whole cake fell apart.
Exactly. So you know what? Better safe than sorry, I guess. I put so much that you can use it on the other one.
Don't go too high. I'm so scared.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wow. The one thing I'll do today, and I'm so happy. This was hard. Jack, you're wrong fit. I can't open it. I'm sweating. Mom! We'll just cut this part out.
No, keep it in. I struggle, you struggle.
I think we need to stop for
Take 2.
Take 2. There. Break and go.
Yeah.
I so love this sound when I was younger. The night we were getting cake. Round 2.
That sounds good.
That sounds good. It's good. We're doing good. So little do you guys know, but we're actually making a mixed cake. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Hannah forgot to tell me that she's actually a professional baker. It's actually kind of cute.
You can lift it. It's not hot.
I'm like so scared. Anyways. You get the squat in. You got that. Oh yeah. We're currently waiting for our cakes to bake, so what better to do than watch Nailed It.
Yep.
When the cakes cool, fill it, ice it, roll out the yellow sauce.
What the hell?
Nailed it! Look at the sunnier side of things.
It smells like cake. Oh my god! It's working kinda.
Kinda? That is
Yeah. Like, I mean, the one I poured, she's a little thick. She a little hot. She ain't cooked on the sides yet, but she there. Okay, this is why I shouldn't be allowed in the kitchen. I'm so sorry. Oh, the cake didn't break. We're good. We're Gucci. Don't tell my dad. There, it's like nothing happened. Okay, we're gonna clean this up now. Sorry, Jacqueline.
Oh no, it's good.
That was so aggressive. That's so sick. We're doing a double stacker cake. So yeah, you can obviously see that.
So we're doing a layer of chocolate. Then we're gonna put this guy on top. Okay, see, yeah.
Ooh.
On top. And then we're gonna do vanilla icing, white on the outside.
Wow.
Wow, we're fancy up in here.
I'm so proud of us. We're not even done yet.
Okay, Rowdy.
Oh, frick yeah. Yeah. This looks so good on camera with like the lighting and stuff. Wow. Oh my gosh. I should do like a little like professional baking montage. Okay, ready? It goes nice and slow. Wow, Hannah! She's the creative one behind this cake. I'm here for the ride. I mix the colors. Okay, look at my wannabe polka dots. And then Hannah's pretty one. So we bought this from Dollarama thinking it'd be really cute to put on top of the cake. And it would be really cute. Problem is this probably has been sitting in the store for like a year because this shit's rock solid. Like we're pulling and like I cannot get it off. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
But we're gonna make it work. Our bunny had to go to the washroom, so we offered him our cake. And he also went over here, because why not?
Oh, that's okay. They don't poop in the same spot.
There we go. Beautiful. So we just finished decorating the cake. So this is what we got. We made a Jack and Rob cake and an Ellen egg. Shameless self-promo.
Oh, you must have gone and bought that. That's...
Yeah, professionally made. And then we got this beauty going on. We got a friend and his buddy. Yo, I'm low-key kind of actually impressed. So let's get people's reactions, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, Jacqueline, come look. Oh my gosh, no way!
That is way too much effort to eat that.
Only took us 5 hours.
That is so impressive.
Wow, but keep looking around the kitchen.
Plug.
Jack and Rob, Landon and Hannah. Oh my god. So
So,
cute. So which one's for me? This one?
so Jacqueline, what do you think?
They look. They look.
Did you know I was recording? Thanks. Will you be our taste tester after?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Wow.
Effort in a cake.
I
Made by
know.
Robyn. And
Yeah, I did it all by myself.
probably more
You know.
Hannah than Robyn.
Oh, Watch yourself, young lady.
Hannah than Robyn.
Yeah, okay, let's be real. Hannah was maybe the more creative person on this project. But like, I provided company. She's thick. Oh, hell yeah. We freaking did that. We did that. Hannah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're freaking creative geniuses. Alright, so that's basically it for the video. We finished with the 2 cakes. I think they turned out pretty good. Way better than I thought it was, honestly. Hannah has to go, so I'm going to taste test this alone, and she'll taste test it by herself and let me know. But otherwise, I mean, 4 hours later, pretty good cakes.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching. Jacqueline. Bye. Bye. That's cute. What are you doing, Jacqueline?
I accidentally dropped my piece of cake.
It's still so cool. Mom, you're not allowed to see.
If you want to put it on
you're
here
not allowed to see. Hey.